In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in on Adobe Acrobat, giving you a comprehensive guide for 2025. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your preferred web browser and type in adobe.com. This will take you to the official Adobe website, which is your starting point for anything Adobe related. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the home page. You should see a sign in button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be directed to a new page where you have a few different options for logging in. If you already have an Adobe account, this is where you'll want to enter your email address associated with that account. Simply type your email into the provided field. Alternatively, if you'd rather log in using a social account, Adobe provides this option as well. You can choose to continue with Google. Selecting this option allows you to sign in with your Google credentials, making the process quick and easy if you're already using Google's ecosystem. Once you've chosen your method of signing in and entered your email, the next step is to provide your password. Make sure it's the correct password associated with your Adobe account. Typing in the wrong password could result in issues accessing your account, so always double check what you enter for accuracy. After filling in both your email and password, the final step is to click on the Continue button. This will process your login information and redirect you to your Adobe account homepage. From there, you're all set and can start using Adobe Acrobat with all your customized settings and preferences in place. Now, a couple of tips to make this process even smoother. First, ensure that your browser is up to date. This can help prevent loading issues or visual glitches when navigating websites like Adobe's. Also, if you have any trouble remembering passwords, consider using a password manager. It helps keep track of various accounts safely and ensures you don't have to reset passwords frequently due to forgetfulness. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps will guarantee that you're signed in and ready to use Adobe Acrobat efficiently. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.